Hello clarinets and welcome to your third guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are reviewing the first 6 notes and we are making sure we know how to play in 2/4 time and what that means. And you'll be successful when you can correctly identify and play your first 6 notes and when you can explain what 2/4 time is. For extension, go on and play exercise 41, which has your new 7th note in it. We're going to leave that for next week. Let's get started with exercise 38, London Bridge. 2/4 time. Can you remember what that means from last time? Means there are 2 crotchet beats in every bar. Remember, the top number means how many, bottom number means what kind. So 2 crotchets in each bar. Now look at the first 6 notes. Can you remember what they all are? Pause now and see if you can remember how to play them all. From C all the way up to A. Pause here. Now let's play them together. We have C, D, E, F, G, and then remember A, you want to use the side of your finger and not all the way up here, just really close to that key as though you just rolled to it. So again, C, D, E, F, G, A, and let's play it together. 3. Pause and practice that on your own, making sure that you've got all those notes down and it's really easy. And let's play it again. And now go backwards. A, G, F, E, D, C from the A. Pause and practice that each 4 times up and then 4 times down. Now look at exercise 38 again and see if you can identify all of your first 6 notes. Pause here. Say the notes and do the fingers for the first 4 bars. Ready? G, A, G, F, E, F, G, 2. And if that was really easy, play it with me now. If not, pause and practice. Now let's play. 1, 2. Make sure that you're reading the notes and not just looking at my fingers. Do the first 4 bars again. 1, 2. Pause and practice that 3 more times on your own. And now look at the next 4 bars. Say the notes and do the fingers. D, E, F, 2, E, F, G, 2. Pause and practice that now. And play with me. 1. And now look at the next 4 bars. Say the notes and do the fingers. G, A, G, F, E, F, G. Pause and practice. And play it with me. Now look at the next 4 bars. See if you can work it out on your own. Sing the notes and do the fingers with me. D2, G2, E, C2, 3, because the C goes for 3 counts. Let's do the last 4 bars again. D2, G2, E, C2, 3, and let's play it. 1. Now pause and see if you can join the whole first line together on your own. Now play it with me. 1, 2. Pause and practice that as much as you need to. Remember remember, you might have to practice it more than 10 times, more than 20 times, until your fingers are doing exactly what you want them to every single time. Now see if you can join the whole last line together on your own. Now play with me. 1, 2. Pause and practice the first line and the second line separately until it's really easy. And then join the whole thing together. Let's do it together with smart music now. Pause if you want some extra practice before this. With smart music. Pause and practice that at least 3 more times on your own. Now look at exercise 40. Exercise 40 also uses the same notes that we've already learnt. Pause now and see if you can work out the C, D, E, F, G and A in all of the bars. Now say the notes and do the fingers for the first bar with me. Ready? C, E, D, F. Can you see the pattern? C, then you lift 2 fingers, E, down 1, D, and then lift 2, F. And again, C, E, D, F. Try it on your own. Pause and practice singing and doing the fingers for that 1 bar 3 times. Now do it again with me. And again. And again. And again. I did it wrong, so we need to do it another 3 times in a row. And again. And again. Pause and practice that on your own. Now look at the next bar. See if you can work it out without me. Now say it with me. E, G, F, A. And again. E, G, F, A. And again. E, G, F, A. And play it with me, slowly. Pause and practice that 10 times. Now see if you can work out the next 2 bars on your own. Pause here. Now say the notes and do the fingers with me. G, E, F, D, C, E, C, and again. G, E, F, D, C, E, C. Pause and practice that 10 times, singing in fingers. Now see if you can play it slowly on your own. Pause and practice that again 3 more times on your own. And now play it with me. And now go back to the beginning and see if you can join those first 4 bars together really slowly. Make sure you're doing all the notes right exactly when you want to. Now do the same steps. Now do the same steps that we just did with the first 4 bars with the last 4 bars. So singing in fingers each bar, 1 at a time, then playing it slowly 1 at a time. Repeat heaps and heaps of times, making sure that your fingers are correct every time and that you're counting while you play. And now let's check it. So the last 4 bars, playing it all with me. If you need extra time, pause it here. Is that what yours sounded like? Hopefully it is. Pause now and see if you can join the whole song together really slowly. Let's check it by singing the whole thing together and doing the fingers. C, E, D, F, E, G, F, A, G, E, F, D, C, E, C, 2, G, 2, 3, A, G, E, C, E, G, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Now play it again and make sure that you're singing that in your head while you play. Now let's play it together with smart music, slowly first. Pause and practice it at that speed, making sure that you're playing everything perfectly. And when you can play it 3 times in a row perfectly, play it again with me here, faster. Pause and practice at that speed. And now let's do it one more time, faster again. Pause, play it with smart music and see how fast you can get that, doing all the right fingers. Now, how did you go in today's lesson? Practicing all of the first 6 notes. Is it really easy now playing C, D, E, F, G, and A? Hopefully it is. If not, make sure you go back and practice them. No harm in repeating this lesson again for next week. And if you need extension, go on to exercise 41, which has our new note in it. Let me know if I went too fast or too slow, and keep up the good work and happy practicing.